Almond is a type of tree nut that is widely grown and consumed around the world. The almond tree is native to the Middle East, but is now grown in many regions, including California, Spain, and Australia. The edible part of the almond is the seed, which is enclosed in a hard, woody shell. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds are a filling snack that can help to promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Studies have shown that including almonds in a weight loss diet can lead to greater weight loss compared to diets that do not include almonds. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which has been shown to help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Almonds are a good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important minerals for bone health. Consuming almonds regularly may help to improve bone strength and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they are digested slowly and do not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This makes them a good snack choice for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Overall, almonds are a healthy and nutrient-dense food that can be included as part of a balanced diet. However, it's important to keep portion sizes in mind, as almonds are high in calories and overconsumption can lead to weight gain. Thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked my video, please do like and post your suggestions in the comments.